Hey, how you doing? Welcome back. A lot of people have been asking me, what's a sleeper dividend growth stock pick? What am I buying up right now? And I gotta say, it's Target. Should be your target if you're trying to target dividend growth stocks. Um, so I'm not just one of those guys that tells you to go and buy stuff without actually owning it. As you can see, I own 10 shares of the stock. I actually bought 4 shares today and another 6 before New Year's, right before New Year's. And I'm really liking this stock. I know a lot of the anti-woke people don't like it. I'm not saying I'm super woke or anything, but I'm just saying a lot of people don't like companies right now that are super woke. I think they'll bounce back. I think, like you saw, the Mark Zuckerberg shift. A lot of people are also shifting to be more balanced in that aspect. And a lot of people just don't care. We look at the Robinhood purchases. A lot of people have been selling recently. We look at hedge funds. A lot of people have been selling lately. And we look at insiders. Most recently, it's actually been some buys. So, yeah. If we look at the analysts, they say this is around a fair price, a little bit undervalued. They think that it's going to be $135. And 56% say to hold, 41% say to buy, and 2.6% say to sell. And then let's quickly look at this bulls and bears analysis. Target is poised to benefit from continued decline of mall-based competition and department stores, which will drive strong growth in comparable sales. And then the bears say Target's higher maintenance discretionary product categories such as apparel and home furnishing are susceptible to losing market share via digital retail penetration, AEO. Um, and I think I kind of disagree with that take because I think we've all seen that people, especially women, like to shop in stores. Yes, they like to spend money online, but they especially like to go in stores and buy stuff. Ask your wife to go to Target right now. If you guys are both off, she will absolutely say yes. So, and if she's one of the anti-woke people that are saying she doesn't like Target, give it a couple months. She'll probably be really tempted to go in there, especially if they have a Starbucks in there. So let's quickly look at this. So these analysis say the 1 year price target is 142, which is a $10 increase, not too bad. I like to look at Yahoo Finance. They also have their analysis. If we look at their 1 year mark, they are down pretty bad, pretty close to their 52-week low. Their 52-week low is 120 and their 52-week high is 181. So I would definitely say that this is a bargain. And their PE ratio is 14, which I think is very, very fair. Anything under 20 to me is great. And then if we look at the analyst price targets, it goes from 103 all the way to 170 with the average being 142. Also good. And then if you're watching this, you're probably into dividends. Like I said, if you're trying to target those dividends, let's go look at the history. So each share that you own is $4.48 that you'll receive in annual dividends. So I own 10 shares, so that means I'm going to be making $40 every single year in dividends. And they're predicting a 12% annual return. But look at this, 54% increase in dividends, which is absolutely crazy. Um, very reliable. And we'll go through the last 10 years. So every quarter you get paid $1.12. Not too shabby, right? Um, if we go back 10 years, they paid you 52 cents, and we'll look at the increases. You got a 7% increase, 7%, 3%, 3%, 3%, 3%. Then you get a giant 32%, 20% dollar, or 1%, 1%. So it looks like it's slowed down a little bit, but I have good confidence that it'll keep growing. Even if it's just 1%, that's fine. Um, I'll take $4.48 all day. Um, Anyway, let me know what you think. Let me know if I'm an idiot for buying Target, if they're the next Kmart, they're going to go out of business, if you think they're going to be around for another 50 years. Personally, I think if you ask any woman in your family, mom, sister, daughter, wife, they will definitely tell you to go ahead and go to Target and bring them there and spend a lot of money. And they will spend a lot of money, they'll spend a lot of time in there, and that's just what they like to do. I personally don't like Target. Well, I don't like to go into any store. But I like Target as a stock. I like their dividend growth. I like that it's close to its 52-week low. And yeah, we're at 10 shares now. And I'd love to own, 20, 30 shares. So if it keeps dipping, we'll keep buying. And yeah, if you could leave a like, comment, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. I reply to every comment. I read everything that you guys put, and I really appreciate any feedback and support. It's your boy Two Terms, signing out.